Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream paint. First, select a high-quality white or off-white paint as your base. This provides the perfect foundation for achieving a rich, creamy hue. Next, gather your tinting colors, typically a warm yellow and a touch of raw umber or a similar brown. Remember, a little goes a long way when adding color, so start with very small amounts to avoid over-tinting your paint. To begin the tinting process, add a few drops of yellow tint to your base paint. Stir it completely, ensuring the color is evenly distributed. Then, introduce a very small amount of brown tint, perhaps just 1 or 2 drops. This brown will mute the yellow slightly and add depth, creating that characteristic creamy warmth. Continue to mix well after each addition, observing the color change carefully. Achieving the perfect cream shade often requires patience. If your paint isn't quite right, add more yellow or brown tint in tiny increments, mixing thoroughly each time. To accurately assess the color, apply a small amount to a piece of white paper or a test board. Let it dry fully, as paint colors can appear different when wet. This step is crucial for making final adjustments. Once you've achieved your desired cream color, ensure you have enough mixed paint for your entire project. It's challenging to perfectly replicate a custom color later. Store a small, labeled sample of your custom mix for future touch-ups. When applying, use smooth, even strokes for a professional finish. Enjoy your beautiful, custom-made cream paint.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.